Not really sure. It looks like there's a small amount of rust, but not too bad. Well, I don't know what's going on over here. But yeah. Honestly, that frame looks really good for how old this truck is, but it actually might have been just coated over, I'm not sure. Rough country shocks. So yeah, it's probably, looks like full exhaust. W, the president. Truck's actually pretty good condition, 1993. For $6 grand. $6 grand for this truck, guys. If you want it, come pick it up. $6 grand, man. Now, if it was a diesel, Detroit diesel, then we'd be talking numbers. All right, let's head out of here. Yeah, I'm driving back here to turn around. Looks like there's some kind of creakage going on down there. Ridge right there. That's sweet. Man, a no trespassing sign. That's wonderful. So there's one more look at the truck. A little drive-by action. It's pretty sweet. Definitely would make a nice truck for somebody, especially like a first truck. It's pretty cool looking. Probably sounds pretty good with a custom exhaust. Then you always wonder, why do people sell trucks when they're not nice? You know what I mean? Ooh, look at that. I think it's a platinum edition F-150. So it kind of sucks. Sears is always very close to me, but now Sears only sells mattresses and appliances, I guess. That's what they're labeled as underneath their little subtitle. Well, gosh dang it, man. I just hit traffic again. Gosh dang it, man. It's only 4 o'clock. It's not even 4 o'clock. It's only 3:50 and there's already bad traffic. I don't know what they're going to do to this area. They definitely need to do something because this is only going to be more and more of an issue. Here we go. With the Dodge, man. Oh yeah, that sounded nice. There's second gen. See if we can make it, guys. It's probably gonna turn on us. Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. There are so many cars in front of us, I don't think it's possible. Let's get lucky. Oh no! So one of the things I'm glad that they stopped making, pretty sure they did, is the SS Silverado and then also the Bumblebee Ram or whatever they were. I don't know. It's just something that I would never want to buy. I could see with diesels, people will want to make them fast, and I think that's actually really cool. But when it comes to the gassers and from the factory like that, I love the color match that they did on the Silverado with those trucks, but then they'd always come two-wheel drive. They'd always sit really low. Those were the things that I never really liked because, I don't know, if they kept it factory height, gave a four-wheel drive option for whatever reason, and then had all that power, that would be cool, but they obviously didn't do that. Oh yeah! I just wanted to let you know that you have a donut. Okay, judging by your hat, you probably do not care. Alright, man, someone's gotta let me go. Look at that truck, man. Alright, whatever, I'm just gonna go. Would you look at that, a liquid natural gas vehicle. Does that mean it does not use diesel or something? I'm not really sure. Oh, look at that. I know that a lot of UPS trucks are switching to electric instead of diesel, so you're not going to be hearing that Cummins engine anymore whenever your package arrives with your diesel parts, but I don't know, I think that kind of sucks. Check that out. Oh, look at that. Spec'd out Camaro. That truck is sick as cluck. Holy crap. Wait, is that Wilt? Yo, that D-Max is sick. Look at the stance. Let me pull up a little bit. Oh yeah, take those flares off and then be sick. So there it is, guys. It's a 35, 12, 5, 20-inch rims. Let's see what rims they are. Centerline rims. Looks like it's got the Zone off-road upper control arms, so it's probably got a Zone lift kit on it. Damn, the truck is sick. Blacked out cab lights and all. Cummins.
Excuse me? What's going on, man?
What up?
What are you
video?
went out.
And Lowe's.
An update on your truck.
Yeah, man. Well, what are you talking about, the Ranger?
And the diesel.
Oh, that's for another video. But for the Ranger, we're gonna add a nice little bit of clear coat to it to stop the paint from peeling off the side, so it has a higher resale value. And to do that, we need some tools. First off, a snack to get us energized. Second off, when we're not energized enough, a 5-hour energy.
So you came to Lowe's for food.
Yeah, no, I had a gift card and I didn't exactly know what to do with it. I could sell it, but then I'd lose like 30% of its value. So might as well just come and get gifts and then clear coat for the truck.
So we gotta find it.
Yeah, let's do it. I guess that's the mission, right?
How's the Volkswagen TDI diesel?
So good.
Nice.
It's an import car from Europe. It's a beautiful yo. We just did the update. We're still looking for the clear coat.
Great googly moogly. Alright, so I just found the sprays.
Which one did you use?
Clear coat?
Yeah.
I mean, I bought an actual Mopar clear coat for the Ram. So, but I mean, I was just being very specific.
Well, I mean, if I had a nice car, I'm just trying to stop it from peeling.
It is a nice car.
It says provides a crystal clear finish that won't corrode, chip, or tarnish, keeping projects protected.
We're trying to find a clear coat for his Power Stroke.
All right.
Don't get too carried away.
I don't want it to spray on me though. Are you?
There you go.
Now we just gotta wait 15 minutes, come back, and see if it works.
Outlaw when he's like, "That's the one."
I don't watch Outlaw, but
damn.
That's the one.
That is what they call me. OUT.
What the heck?
Oh, dude. What?
Oh no.
Spray it on another one. What? I want to see if it.
Vandalism.
He's putting gang signs in a Lowe's. Dude, I want to find like a little dustpan.
So what's the update on the diesel?
The diesel? Well, I'm getting a job selling insurance.
No way.
Yeah. So,
big money.
What's that?
Big money.
I don't know yet. I don't know what it's gonna pay, because I'm not gonna get. I have to get a license to sell insurance to actually start making the big buckle chucks. But if they pay me a decent wage while I work part-time and go to school, then I'll probably pick up the truck.
And it's going to be a 2018 Duramax, 2018 Power Stroke, or a 2018 Cummins Toyota.
Yeah, working part-time at the library.
Invest. This is the product to buy. I can't believe it's already Christmas.
I can believe.
Special assistance needed in the wire cutting area.
I'm on it, man.
It'd be really cool. I gotta pick this up.
It's not that big, bro.
Put everything in it. Perfect. Here we go. I need one of these impact wrenches. Work really well. Gonna have to get some adapters for it. This is what I always need. I always used an iPhone light and it never was bright enough. And then just a regular drill will work too.
That now?
Yeah.
Seems a little premature.
Here we go. And now, those are just single sockets, but I was looking for the extension ones. What do you think? Are you going to buy some tools?
Not today.
Damn. Are you going to become a mechanic one day?
Might become like a woodworker.
Nice.
Clean off some tables.
Woodrow Wilson.
Great Emperor.
Just found something on the ground. I'm gonna need your explanation on why these are there, dude. How did they get there on an island?
Aliens.
Like Jordan?
I don't know, they said something about the pyramids being placed in a very particular location that they would need more technology to be able to discover, and there's no way it was just incidental.
So people were smarter in the past than they are now.
Probably, yeah. Be like, yo, Austin, you can get a job here.
Damn.
Say happy holidays. That's offensive to our culture.
There's a Cummins out there, but the Duramax is gone.
Big these.
Look at that. Cummins.
I'm only